Quite a view you've got here.
No kidding. Listen, there are three things I hate. Colonial Williamsburg, people who buy C-Class Mercedes, and wasting my time. Why did you call me?
I didn't call you. My scheduler said that you called. She's terrible.
I'm messing with you. You need to chill out. Hey, smell that. Have some whiskey.
It's very potent.
That'll relax you.
Yeah. Here in a bit. Yeah.
I think you know why I called you in here. I've had my eye on you.
Really?
No. But Loosewood Kuhn just landed a huge account with the Sunshine Coalition.
I'm not really sure who they are.
Me neither. Who gives a shit? The point is, I've got room, and I'm looking to put you on my staff. Not a penis joke.
Clearly.
I know what's going on in Capitol Hill. Your time up there is limited, okay? You only get one chance, one shot to leave the Hill. My advice to you, be on the train, not on the tracks. I know you'll do the right thing.
My mama cooks in Italy, mama